And we're getting there. Lots of work to put into this car right now. Welding, measuring, cutting, grinding. But I'm enjoying all of it. Especially when I get to see this kind of progress. Front end is all welded together. My firewall is welded together. I had to put that in to make sure it all fits. Make sure I put my dash bar into place. But I'm having lots of fun with this project. And I'm very anxious to see where it goes. I really want to start to drive this car. We have the back end welded together. I'm really looking forward to putting the wiring in so we can start this car. Before we do that, we also need to put in the front end. I have a lot disconnected on it just to keep all the components safe. This car has no brakes either, so we got to put that in. Stay tuned. Next video. Like and subscribe.